पिछले 2 सालों में कोविड की वजह से डिप्रेशन केसेस काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ रहे हैं और मेंटल हेल्थ फाइनली लाइमलाइट में आना शुरू हुई एंड इट इज़ फॉर द राइट रीजंस बिकॉज इवन इफ इट इज़ प्री कोविड और पोस्ट कोविड mental and emotional health issues can happen to anyone regardless of age, gender or race. But did you know that there are some things that can help you keep your mental health stay afloat? In this video, we will be looking at them. Now we are fully aware that as humans, one cannot simply dismiss their feelings, nor we can change everything around us. क्योंकि हमारी चेंजिंग लाइफस्टाइल्स, एनवायरनमेंट, वर्क स्ट्रेस, इंटरपर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स ये सब हमारी मेंटल हेल्थ से कनेक्टेड होते हैं. बट देयर आर सम मेथड्स थ्रू विच वी कैन टेक केयर ऑफ आवर मेंटल एंड इमोशनल वेलबींग. एंड दीज मेथड्स विच आर गोइंग टू बी डिस्कस्ड हियर आर साइंटिफिकली बैक्ड. बट बिफोर वी बिगिन, लेट्स सी सम साइंस दैट माइट इंडिकेट अ डिटीरियोरेटिंग मेंटल हेल्थ. अब थोड़े बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स तो सबकी लाइफ में होते हैं and it's normal to feel stressed, sad or angry about it. लेकिन अगर आपको हमेशा feelings of doubt and negativity आ रहे हैं या you feel overwhelmed by your surroundings or work or feel less motivated day by day or maybe if you feel too anxious all the time, then these might be some of the signs that you are struggling with mental health issues. But wait, relax your muscles for now because there are 5 practical and helpful ways to improve your mental health and emotional well-being. Number 1, taking care of your physical health. We all know that health is wealth, but that health includes both mental and physical health because well, both go hand in hand. So going for a run while listening to music isn't just for cardio. It is also to keep your mental health in check. Because exercising has shown to help the body produce endorphins, which are mood elevating hormones. It also reduces the levels of cortisol, which is a stress hormone. So along with burning some calories and promoting cardiac health and building immunity, exercise आपके stress और anxiety को दूर रखने में भी मदद करेगी. So put on your favorite jogging shoes along with those cool headphones and go for that run to declutter your mind. Or else pick your favorite workout or exercise. Number 2, getting enough sleep. There is a close relationship between having a good night's sleep and having a good mental health. So if you are someone who suffers from a severe case of anxiety, depression or bipolar disorders, chances are that you are also having a disturbed sleep. Well, according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, not having enough sleep can actually increase the risk for type 2 diabetes, obesity and stress. And also, sleep cycles play a very important role in our cognitive function. मतलब कि ब्रेन की abilities जैसे memory, logic, reasoning, focus ये सब भी poor sleep से affect हो सकती है. इसीलिए minimum 7 to 8 hours of sleep, that too around a fixed bedtime, इससे ज़रूर practice करें. इसके साथ staying away from caffeine after 4 p.m. and avoiding nicotine might also do the trick of going to sleep early. साथ ही making sure that your room is at a comfortable temperature according to you is another way of maintaining a healthy sleep schedule. ये सारी चीजें आपके sleeping cycles को बेहतर करेंगी और इससे आपका brain function भी बहुत improve होगा. Number 3, meditation. आप spiritual या religious हो या ना हो, doesn't matter because meditation can help anyone. Because this ancient practice is also significantly backed by Harvard research for helping the brain relax and focus. Meditation is a process of obtaining mindfulness through the simple act of breathing in and breathing out. अब meditation तो कई तरह की हो सकती है. It could be about visualization or even spiritual, or it could be about clearing your mind. All kinds of breathing in and breathing out meditations mainly have just one goal, which is relaxation. So regulate your breathing and relax. Number 4, eating a healthy diet. Healthy diet and mental peace are more linked than people think. Now, I'll tell you something interesting about this. आपने ये तो सुना होगा कि हमारे अंदर से या हमारे माइंड से हमें कोई थॉट अगर स्ट्रांगली फील होता है तो लोग कहते हैं कि उनकी गट फीलिंग कह रही है कि कुछ ना कुछ होने वाला है. Well, this is because that feeling is often based on some subconscious logic or sensation. It is so fascinating because the gut and brain are connected. तो अगर गट हैप्पी नहीं है तो ब्रेन कैसे हैप्पी होगा? और गट को हैप्पी रखने के लिए फाइबर जैसे कि फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, ग्रेन ये सब होने चाहिए। मोरओवर, पुअर न्यूट्रिशन और लैक ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड विटामिन्स लाइक बी कॉम्प्लेक्स, विटामिन डी, DHAs एटसेट्रा कम होने पर भी ब्रेन फंक्शन पे अफेक्ट हो सकता है। सो द मोर लीफी एंड ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स you will have, the more happy and relaxed you will be. Diet which includes less fatty and sugary foods and more whole grains, beans and pulses will add up to your well-being. But well, sometimes it actually gets tricky. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि कुछ अनहेल्दी फूड से लोग एडिक्ट हो जाते हैं और फिर वो ना मिलने पर मूड स्विंग्स होने लगते हैं। तो आपको लग सकता है कि मैं शुगर लेता हूँ तो मेरा मूड तो काफ़ी अच्छा होता है, नहीं खाता तो लो फील करता हूँ। ऐसे में मेंटल हेल्थ का ध्यान रखें या डाइट का? So during such cases, it is best to slowly reduce unhealthy foods instead of completely abstaining from them. And also, take a nutritionist's advice whenever required. Number 5. Engage or talk to a professional. Sometimes relaxing does not mean just sleeping. It can also mean indulging in your favorite recreational activity like maybe dancing, painting, singing, sports or engaging in a mindful conversation with a close friend or a family member. तो आपके लाइफ में कोई ट्रस्टवर्दी पर्सन हो जिसके साथ आप वल्नरेबल हो सकते हैं, प्लीज कन्फाइड योर थॉट्स विद देम एंड टेल देम हाउ यू फील. Because if you think that if you are not able to find that person, or if your mental health is severely affected, or if you have been hit by a trauma, then it might be the perfect time to talk to a mental health professional. Whether it be a clinical psychiatrist or a clinical psychologist or a counselor, they can actually help you out. कुछ social organizations और NGOs affordable therapy sessions भी offer करते हैं. These mental health professionals are supposed to follow ethical guidelines, तो patient की personal information भी हमेशा confidential रहती है. Well, it might be hard to go through what you are going through, and sometimes you may not even find the right words to express. But do not let that discourage you from trying to seek help. There are also suicide helplines for the times you feel at your worst. So please help yourself wherever you can. With that, we saw some practical ways of tackling mental health from basic prevention to professional management. We are all humans, and as social and emotional beings, it is very common for us to feel hopeless and stuck. And taking help is nothing to be ashamed of. In fact, it is a step towards self-care and growth. So remember, things can be managed and there are professionals who can have your back. And if there are some other mental health tips that you know, please share them in the comments below so that it helps others as well. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Traya Health.